I'm just tapping it. I'm patting it now.
Yeah, that's a good table.
It's a very good table. Who's this broad? I can't see. I'm very nearsighted.
Up and carry. Oh, okay.
Ah! Brains aren't very friendly in this game.
Mine is wounded.
I'm coming. I see a dead animal sign, so I think either one of us landed on an animal.
We gotta do that
No, I
again.
think it's your horse. Your horse is dead.
Mine's right
How do
here.
I?
I gotta hold
Do I just?
revive. I'm reviving him like Call of Duty.
I don't have a horse revive.
I revived. Can I
I'm
revive
sorry.
yours? Wait. No, I can't. Yeah. Fuck you, horse. Oh, we killed a man. We killed a man.
This was not our. We killed two. Wait, this is us.
No, it's not.
This is me.
This isn't me. This is not me. You listen here.
Let's go to
Is,
Blackwater.
is this your horse right here?
Oh, hey, it's my horse. Where'd you come from, buddy?
I was just looking at you. I see us stroll up slowly.
MSB. Out!
Can you not kill me? I think I just fell off my horse, didn't I?
No, you didn't. Ow! What am I? Stop.
Okay, guys, follow me. We're riding off into the sunset. Oh, there's a deer right there. Watch how freaking good aimbot is on this.
Bye bye.
God, give me a second.
What the fuck?
He's dodging.
MSB, get on my horse! MSB,
Let's
how do I get
go.
on? How do I get on?
Press A, press space when you're near someone's horses.
No!
No. My
Get
horse
on my
now.
horse!
Button.
He's on my horse!
Press
He's on my horse!
space.
Get on my
Press
horse!
space when
On my
you-
horse!
My horse! Killed my horse!
No. My horse. It's my horse you killed. Or it's your horse.
Ow!
I can't revive. My
You're
horse!
shooting me.
You asshats! I didn't even shoot your horse. Why are you shooting mine?
I didn't do anything! Why are you guys? What happened?
I don't have
Why-
things to. I don't have anything to revive them.
I don't either, so I gotta put mine down.
Don't shoot my horse, you asshole.
Ow, what the fuck? I didn't
That
I
was
didn't
my-
kill your horse!
That was my friend.
Well, he shot
Okay,
my horse. He shot my horse.
I ran into your horse and my horse died. So.
I didn't
I
even
just see your fucking finger tracking me.
You know what? Screw you, man.
You know what? Screw you too. I got a surprise for you. You son of a
So do
bitch.
I. Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Kill him!
Okay.
No, don't kill me.
Oh, my horse is freaking. Its energy is freaking destroyed. Eat this carrot.
Eat this carrot.
Hey, two people riding up. You get the one on the left.
Oh,
Ow!
I hit him surprisingly.
Ow!
No!
Ow! My horse.
Howdy, partners. Can I get me a drink?
MSP's over
Fuck,
drinking
man.
out the saloon. There's not gonna be any liquor by the time we get there. I'm gonna park their door in the front. Howdy.
Are you?
I think only
can't-
you can do it. You have to talk to him.
Is there a fucking? Oh, there is.
Oh god, I hear you in game.
I think my game went black or something.
Yeah, we're taking a photo.
Oh.
Yeah, I could do an emote. Hold on.
Dude, we look freaking cool, except I look exactly like you, so you're gonna have to either get a face shave or something.
How do I?
Wait, let me see what I could do.
Apparently, I want to change my expression.
I could damn you. Wait, no, I wasn't ready.
Oh, I have $11.
I wasn't ready.
Who is this?
We
Are
all merged.
used-
Yeah, we all merged.
We all merged. MSP.
We are one.
What is it? My hat and my boots. Oh, this isn't.
This is so cursed.
I got out of it.
Good. Does it have like this nightmare feel?
Yeah.
It didn't work. I'm so.
Yeah. I'm gonna pull us.
I'm getting out of this.
Where'd the guy go? Did we suck his salt? Oh, he's right here.
Did we stuck him?
Alright, request it again. I don't know what
I
the
am.
fuck happened there.
MSP, you gotta get yourself a change of look. You can't look like me.
I don't look like you.
Yeah, you look exactly like me. We could be twins.
Hold on, I want to see what emotes I have. See.
What is emotes?
Oh, it's tab.
Oh.
Oh yeah, I'll be smoking a cigarette while y'all do your picture. Oh, you're gonna spit on me. Alright, hold on, let me get a photo.
Oh, yo.
It's perfect! Oh my god!
Wait, how do I
Wait,
go
hold on,
back?
do a pose, do a pose, do a pose.
Give me a second. Give me a second. How do I go back?
Tab.
I just took us a photo. That's $5. I just accidentally wasted.
I took like 6 photos, so.
Can you go in depth in this game?
S.
Oh, what the hell?
What kind of background we thinking?
I'm fine with honey.
I don't care, I've already took like 4 photos.
Kind of like this one.
Alright, everybody do an emo.
3, 2,
You think?
One.
No, wait.
all right, 3,
Why
2,
can I not pull my gun out for the photo?
No,
3.
only if it's an
Almost-
emo.
Oh, 3, 2.
Wait, I'm already
1.
smoking. I gotta restart it.
Okay.
Okay.
3,
Wait.
2.
Okay, go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, y'all do it again.
Okay. 3,
Perfect.
2, 1, go.
Alright, I'm not wasting any more money on photos. I'm already down
All right,
to like
how
$87.
do I
No, I
exit?
accidentally took one. Dang it! No, I gotta get out
I'm
of
getting
here.
out. I'm getting out.
Get out of here. How do I escape? Come on, I like that.
Oh, I see it.
What's up? the gunslinger. We got the hunter, we got the gunslinger, and we got the
There's something we don't know
Native
yet.
American.
The retard.
The native. The native.
Mentally disabled
The hunter.
person.
The
Tonto.
hunter, the gunslinger, and the retard.
We've got Tonto on our team.
The hunter, the gunslinger, and the retard.
I'm just the fucking mascot.
Hi.
That's a really good. That's a really good group name. The hunter, the gunslinger, and the retard.
That should
I mean, I'm down for that.
I like that. I'm going
I'm gonna get on to.
You don't have a horse.
No, I don't have a horse.
You're not legally allowed to ride a horse anymore. You got
Yeah.
your rights taken away after you ran over 3 people. Dude looks like freaking ET.
How about that? He's not on the.
You're really bad. You put his head on the track. That was so bad.
Where's my property? I don't rightly know what you're talking about. Yes, Clinton. You do. My fine collection of Staffordshire china gone. My paintings of scenes in Italy gone. My collection of photos.
My Among Us plushie gone. You took all of my Among Us porn. Oh, you didn't have to take my Among Us porn. It's in the basement of your sister's house. It's in your mom's house.
You took my hairline. You just stand in the middle of the trucks with them.
I'm gonna see if I can jump out of the way right when the train gets here.
The way you dodge.
Bro, he got hit 100%. He did.
I know, on my screen it looked like he got hit. It looked like he didn't dodge at all.
Me?
Yeah, it looked like he moved a little bit.
I got hit by the train.
I didn't.
I dived out of the way and it hit me by my legs and did like a full like 830.
Looked like a tabletop spinner.
Dude, I literally turned into a Beyblade right there.
Baby, let it.
Ooh, I reached rank 10.
I reached. I had a dream. I had a dream that Jeez.
Where's all the Among Us porn? Where did you put my Among Us porn? It's at your sister's house. What?
By sitting on the floor.
Because you're lazy. Every time we do one of these things, you're sitting on the ground. Bitch, no, we're not gonna play that. I want to play like a
Sounds pretty dumb to me.
Pretty
good
fun.
story mod.
Story?
One of y'all guys seriously take my horse?
Turn friendly fire on. I'll track him. Did you hear me? Turn friendly fire on. I'll track him for you.
All right, let's
It's
go.
one of us.
Y'all kind of died. Your horses having trouble down here.
Any horse revives? I don't have anything.
He said,
Have to-
and then the horse just fucking goes flying.
I have to put him down.
Wait, I got him. I'll do it. I killed him. Dude, I was reviving him. I was reviving him. Come on.
I was really the one that killed him.
I was literally like halfway, and then you killed him. All right.
You got to
Take my dead body.
Here, take this.
Still went on his horse. Oh man. Takes it
Let
off.
me just suck your horse's dick. I hope one of y'all guys know your horse just T-posed on me.
Whoa, shit! Just broke my neck.
Y'all are stupid.
What the
I saw a
heck?
horse fly from the sky. The horse just fell from the sky on my
Over.
screen.
Hey!
Oh my!
What?
Got
Dumb
kicked.
dogs?
That horse just kicked me.
Oh shit! This is the most
I don't
fun
have
I've
any
had in
health.
a while.
I have no health cure, and my horse is dead.
Too good. Whoa! Hey, there's somebody on a canoe. I'm gonna murder him.
Where at? I want to see if I can get a long shot on him.
I already killed him. I one-shot him.
Oh yeah, Red's back. Okay, Drew, what mod are we gonna
Oh
play?
shit!
Oh great! My horse literally just my horse just committed suicide.
Where?
My horse just committed suicide.
Well, I don't know how y'all be killing y'all's horse.
I don't know either,
In
but he just
Valhalla.
committed suicide.
Just see his body down there.
It just said I could eat. I literally walked up to it, and instead of the word like loot, it said eat. I was about to just chow down.
Eat
What
what?
is this?
What was it?
He's alive.
We were like, scrawny nag can forget to survive stuff. So he literally just like walked off the edge. He literally just like walked off the edge.
Or still at the crime scene?
Well, yeah, I guess you call it crab feed. Oh, wait, it said that too, Major.
It did for you? Is there a plant on the
Oh
ground?
yeah,
right there?
there's a.
Yeah, there is. There is.
Not me.
Hey, MSP, you best ride. That train's coming. No further. You gotta land in the water.
I hope the train just plows your horse. What?
I wasn't close enough to the water.
Horse! He just got. smack.
No, my horse!
I just watched your
horse
horse
is on that
get
train
plowed
track.
by the train.
My horse looked like a retard running, and he's got smacked.
I just watched him get. Oh man.
Where's my horse? There he is. Oh, it's Red. Red's back.
I'll try it. You better get me before it.
I wonder if you can survive that. You lose bonding. Range weapons.
Oh, my horse is still
A
alive.
little bit more damage and have a little bit more accuracy.
No.
I'm gonna Fortnite revive it.
No way. I jumped off.
It's alive! It's alive! The fucking robot
No
chicken noise.
way it is.
It's alive. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna throw it off myself. Oh shit!
He's fixing
I
to
just
die.
witnessed you. I just witnessed you commit suicide.